Why do top performers still feel like frauds? And how is AI making it worse? In a world where you can build a business, write a book, or create art with a single prompt, why do so many successful people secretly believe they don't deserve their success? Meet Arav. On the outside, he looks unstoppable. His AI startup just crossed 1 million users. His posts go viral. Investors call him a genius. But at 2 a.m., when the noise fades, a different voice gets louder. You didn't build this. The AI did. You just got lucky. Soon they'll find out. This is imposter syndrome, the quiet fear that your success isn't real, that you tricked everyone, that any moment you'll be exposed. Imposter syndrome isn't new. Doctors feel it, athletes feel it, creators feel it, leaders feel it. The higher you climb, the thinner the air feels. But AI changed the game. Now you can generate art in seconds, write essays instantly, build apps without coding. When machines help you win, your brain whispers, that wasn't really you. The truth is, A, I didn't create the idea, you did. A, I didn't choose the direction, you did. A, I didn't decide to take the risk. You did, but your brain doesn't see collaboration. It sees replacement. And then there's social media. Every scroll shows someone younger, faster, smarter with AI, overnight millionaires, viral creators, perfect launches. Comparison fuels doubt, doubt fuels silence, and silence convinces you that you're the only one who feels this way. But here's the secret. The people who feel like imposters are usually the ones who care the most. They question themselves because they want to do it right. Real frauds don't worry about being frauds. They don't lie awake at night wondering if they deserve to be there. AI is not stealing your success. It's amplifying your decisions. It's a tool, like a camera, like a calculator, like the internet once was. The future belongs to people who know how to collaborate with machines, not compete with them. So the next time that voice says, "You're a fraud," ask a better question. What did I choose? What did I build? What did I learn? Because success in the AI era isn't fake. It's different. And feeling uncertain doesn't mean you don't belong. It means you're growing. The biggest lie imposter syndrome tells you is that you're alone. You're not. Almost everyone at the top once whispered the same fear. They just kept going anyway. And maybe the real secret isn't eliminating doubt. Maybe it's learning to move forward even when doubt walks beside you. If this story felt a little too familiar, that's not a coincidence. Imposter syndrome doesn't mean you're failing. It usually means you're leveling up. So if you're building with AI, creating, launching, learning, and sometimes doubting yourself along the way, you're not alone. Drop a comment and tell me, have you ever felt like a fraud even when you were winning? And if you want more deep dives on psychology, success, and the AI era, subscribe and join this journey, because the future doesn't belong to the fearless. It belongs to the ones who feel the fear and build anyway.